today's video, I'm going to show you all the equipment that you need as a beginner in ghost hunting. First thing is you're going to need a backpack. Get a durable backpack to be able to carry all of your equipment in. You don't want to be walking around in these dark places, fumbling around with all these pieces of equipment. You want to keep them safe, you want to keep them dry, and you want to be able to hold it all together in a good backpack. And then just like your first ghost hunt, you want to have a flashlight. This will let you see in the dark to keep you safe, depending on where you're going. Also to point out any sounds that you may have heard, and also to look through your backpack and find the equipment that you're looking for. You'll also need a voice recorder, or more than one voice recorder, really. You can use these in order to hear what's called spirit voices or electronic voice phenomenon. The next thing that you'll want is an EMF detector. What this does is it detects electromagnetic field. So basically anything electronic, it'll light it up. And it'll also detect if there's a ghost nearby, it'll light up. Because we believe that ghosts are balls of energy coming into our realm of existence. So definitely get one of these. You'll also want some sort of video camera in order to capture some of the evidence that you see. Go ahead and start with some basic camera. It could be 1080p, it could be 4K, but just make sure that it has maybe some night vision capabilities. You can also add some sort of GoPro or some sort of mounted camera to film the entire investigation. I can't tell you how many times we've done an investigation where something paranormal has happened when no cameras or audio recorders were going. And instead, we had to rely on a GoPro camera in order to record some of the things that happened when we weren't expecting them. You can also add things to your arsenal, like something that detects motion. This, for instance, is a door alarm. So if you walk in front of it, it'll light up. It'll also make a sound, so that way as the spirit walks by, it can be greeted as a welcome or hello. Or you could be in a dark room, you can ask the spirit to go over and touch this object or come by this object in order to make it light up. Another really good thing to add would be some sort of spirit box. Now you can use some radio, you can use an app on your phone, but an S-Box is a really good piece of equipment to use that flips through radio stations, creating what's called a white noise, and that is how you're able to hear spirit voices. You can also use trigger objects, sort of child spirit. You can use a ball to get them to roll, or if you have a cat ghost that's there, they can be able to play with the ball. You can also have a toy animal, or some kind of toy for either children ghosts or pets to be able to play with. It'll also be very important to stack up on memory cards. As you use your video cameras, you want to have really good memory cards that can hold 4K footage and high memory space, because you will be filming for long periods of time. I highly recommend you not stopping and starting videos, but to have one long form video. That way you don't miss anything that might happen in between shots. Batteries are super important. Not only do you not want to run out of battery power while you're doing an investigation, but you also want to have these as a way for spirits to be able to draw from that energy in order to manifest. You can even ask the spirits to be able to do that themselves and to be able to communicate with you. And lastly, again, one of the most important things that you can have is your cell phone. This is a voice recorder. This is a flashlight. You can also download apps like spirit boxes in order to communicate with spirits.
Click on the link in the description below to go to ghoststop.com to purchase your ghost hunting equipment. Guys, I love ghoststop.com. I use all of their equipment for my investigation. Check them out. Try it for yourself. Go to ghoststop.com and the link in the description down below.
Click on this next video to be an expert with ghost hunting, and click on this video to learn how to work all of this equipment.